Did you know that gardening is America's #1 hobby? And did you know that container gardening is the #1 form of gardening in America? And did you know that this plant is said to be America's #1 perennial plant? This is a hemerocallis. Try to say that 3 times real fast without herniating your tongue. It's also commonly known as the daylily. With over 90,000 cultivars, this versatile plant can grow in the ground or in containers. It can get half sun but sparsely flowers, or in full sun, an established plant can produce 100 flowers. When one flower is spent, there is one ready to take its place. Relatively insect and disease-free, there's one huge problem. Daylilies might as well be ringing a dinner bell to get eaten by critters like rabbits, chipmunks, groundhogs, woodchucks, and the big ones like white-tailed deer and a whole lot more. This is the #1 natural rated way to repel those animals. Spray the flowers and the buds and the leaves and the new growth with Bobbecs early in the morning, 10 to 14 days apart from each other. That'll keep them away. I don't think it's a coincidence that gardening, daylilies, and Bobbecs all rank #1. Try them, daylilies and Bobbecs.